Sawadika everyone! Welcome to the elephant jungle
No
sanctuary
riding.
here in Phuket, Thailand.
Many. Wow, big.
Kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Thai kangaroo. Okay. Yeah, I think they're hungry. Yeah. You might have to take a seat first. Okay.
Wow.
Which is we start only 3 elephants at the beginning in my logo here. Okay, you see? Okay. Hello, good morning, handsome man. Okay. Now we got 100 elephants. Not only this location. Totally, we do have 12 locations in Thailand. This is one from 12 location.
Whoa.
30, 30, male, female.
Hello.
That's perfect. You guys good. Don't scare up that front. That's good. You can touch. Okay, yeah. Don't scare up that front. Yeah. It's okay if you don't scare that front. Let them up.
Wow.
5,000 kg. This is probably the size of woman. I would use 500. Look at her belly. Sorry. One elephant over there, guys. She's a sad elephant. Look at the back.
Sad.
She's the worst one we have in the sanctuary. 77 years old and both eyesight she's
Blind.
blind because she is sorry, one eye reduced and one eye cataract. And you see her skin. What is the guy do? She's put a coconut oil to protect her skin from the insect because she's got skin disease. Yeah. And you see one elephant over there, she's moving.